How to turn off screensaver on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Battery. You will then be taken to the Battery Settings page. On this page, you can view your battery percentage, battery health, and manage other battery settings as well. You can also view the battery usage by app below. Now, go to the low power mode feature as shown and turn it off. Then, go back and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down and tap on Auto Lock. From here, you can choose the auto lock timing for your lock screen. For example, never. Your phone may use more energy with this setting. Following these steps, you can easily turn off screensaver on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.